Good day, guys. Welcome to this YouTube channel. I will be sharing with you some of the trades I took last week. We had some wins, we had some losses, and we're going to talk about the mistakes, and we're going to be giving like some, some back testing, top-down analysis, and sharing one or two things share with each other. You know, so let's just drive into the charts and check and the trade we took last week, so we can make a conclusion about them. Is it our fault or is the market fault? Let's drive in, man. Now we're on the chart. As you can see, these charts right now, this is currently a downtrend market, right? It's currently a downtrend market. So what I did was that I was actually looking forward for this particular zone, waiting for the market to give me like a pullback retracements to this particular zone, right? If you use of Fibonacci, you get your 0.168, right? Based on the fact that I'm a price action trader, and as a price action trader, what do? You must be patient enough and wait for the chart pattern to form. It's very, very important, right? It's very, very important. So now if you guys look at my chart very well, you will see that there is a price action. There's a chart pattern there, right? You can see it, right? Let me give an indicator of what I'm talking about. This is the first one, right? And this is the second one. Can you see that? So this was what was there. The first one and the second one. This is what a double top. Waiting for the breakout of this double top. What happened next? The market came breakout and went straight to my stop loss. And after that, it ended up still in my take profits. This kind of chart pattern is what we call the double top chart pattern, and went straight to my stop loss. Like, this is so crazy, but we followed our rules and we did all what we have to do the right way. But at the same time, our information was right, but the outcome was wrong. You can see that it hit the stop loss immediately. It went straight to take profit. That's how crazy the market can be sometimes. Well, this was the first trade I took, and we this ended up in a loss. Let's go to the next trade I took, which was the GBP-JPY. On GBP-JPY, I took a trade. Yeah. So according to my my age, right, there must be what you call chart pattern, which is multiple chart pattern. We have the likes of head and shoulder, double top, double top. So this is an head and shoulder pattern. If you can look at this clearly, you will discover that this was an head. You can see it here. This is an head and shoulder pattern. You can see it. This is an head and shoulder pattern. The market came here, came to this resistance zone, came up, then give us this pattern here. Can you see that? Right? And it activated us and went straight to our take profits. So this was my second win for the week, and it was a good one. So we use head and shoulder to take this trade, head and shoulder pattern to take this trade. And you can see that there was a trend line here. This is a trend line. There was a break of trend line first, right? Then we have a break of the support zone, and we got down. So that was it for this trade. And the next trade I took was still following my trend. The trend is your friend, as they always say. The trend is your friend. You have to be used to that. So the next trade I took, now if you look at it clearly, this was a very funny trade. On the 5 minutes time frame, it was giving a double top. Let me zoom this so you guys can see it well. This is a double top entry, right? The double top. We have this first one, right? The market came back again, waiting for the breakout. I entered late because I was really not on the market. That's why sometimes you have to be available. I entered late and the market activated me, went straight and consolidate. and the next thing it went what? It hit my stop loss and went against me totally, like totally. So that's how this trade went, right? So you can see that this was a downtrend. Then we waited for it to pull back, give us a chart pattern, then we took our entry from it, right? And that's how we traded for the week. So guys, those are the 3 trades I took last week. Yeah, I think one was on Tuesday, the other one was on Wednesday, then on Friday. Yeah, that was it. So not only a good one though, because the first one is my stop loss, went to my take profit. The other one was my I you know. So the good one, I won it, but the third one now I went south. But that's just it about trading. Get the point, right? And that means that would make it two loss, one win. Woo! That's just crazy. But anyhow, sure. We come back next week and we do our thing again. We make sure that we are doing it right and we are doing it well. The best thing is just for us to follow our strategy, which we are doing, which I am doing, right? I don't know of you, but which I am doing. Just follow my strategy, and by next week I'll share with you guys how my trade went again. You get the point, right? See you guys in my next video and stay tuned. Peace out.